In this episode, I'm going to share the first step on the journey of how to control the modifications of our mind. And here we begin to learn the ways to observe the world and not get merged with it or identify ourselves with it. In short, we start discovering the ways to master our minds. Before I start the episode, there is a small update on the series. From here on, certain sutras and certain aspects might not get covered under 3 minutes. So I might have to stretch them a little, maybe for around 5 minutes. The whole point is to simplify, but at the same time, drive home the point so that you understand these concepts and you practice these concepts in your daily life. There are certain meditations, tips, tricks, and exercises planned in the process. I don't want you to miss on it. This being said, let's jump into the episode. The 12th sutra is Abhyasa Vairagyabhyam Tannirodha, which means these mental modifications are restrained or controlled by practice of non-attachment. This sutra sounds simple but has a lot of weightage associated to it. So stay with me till the end. In the end, I have an exercise for you to help you practice this sutra and reach that non-attachment. Most of us understand what practice is. But the million-dollar question here is, what is non-attachment? Mind you, it is not detachment, it is non-attachment. Non-attachment simply means to become empty. Having said this, what is the difference between detachment and non-attachment? First, let us understand detachment. Detachment is one of the most overstated concepts and has a lot of pride attached to it. It is a gentle state of covered eyes. It is an act to unplug from responsibilities and escape from responsibilities. Detachment is actually a better process and usually not willfully executed. If this is detachment, what is non-attachment? Non-attachment is Vairagya. Vairagya literally means to grow beyond emotions. It is often misunderstood as to leave things and to go away. But Vairagya actually means to master the emotions attached with objects, people, or a place. When you master the state of non-attachment or Vairagya, it eases your pain. I do know it is not easy to practice Vairagya, but then what is gone is gone. You can't cry over the spilt milk, isn't it? Therefore, non-attachment is to be in the mystery of the life and its vagaries, but at the same time be in a state of balance. A true yogi is the one who knows how to meditate even in a market, or even better, fish market. When you find no difference between good and bad, that, my friend, is the ultimate state of non-attachment. And when you practice Vairagya, you're one step closer to state of Samadhi, or a state of observing the world, or even better, state of mastering your mind. Here I have a simple exercise for you. To practice Vairagya, you need to know what you are attached to. So simply sit and contemplate on aspects that you are extremely attached to. Because what binds you is the one which is pulling you down and which is making you not progress in life and progress in living this life in the best way possible. Yes, this exercise sounds extremely simple. And you know what? Mind usually doesn't consider simple exercises. But it is to stick to basics that makes the huge difference in life. Simply start your sentence with I am attached to. And you will be surprised to see a long list of things starting from car, clothes, place, people, food, object, country, etc., etc., etc. And this is enough for your mind to become aware and start developing or start putting that first step towards non-attachment. The deeper you go, more aware you become. A small tip here is Vairagya is not a destination, it is a state. If you consider it to be a destination, then it becomes the story of the carrot and Mr. Donkey. So, Vairagya is just not a destination, it is a state that is discovered with immense practice. A lot of questions are answered when you practice this. A teacher in my college used to remind us that there is nothing called free lunch. In the same way, if you want to discover yourself in your life, then you need to practice something. And that first step to realize yourself is practicing non attachment or Vairagya. That being said, let me end this episode. Celebrate life and celebrate living. See you in the next episode. Until then, peace.